Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn that how you can send high quality videos on Discord application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So to begin with, you need to open your Discord application on your device. Once you do so, from the bottom menu, you need to choose You. So once you tap on You, it will bring you to this menu. From here, you need to tap on Settings. And in Settings, you need to scroll all the way down where you will find the chat option. So once you tap on chat, here you will find the video uploads option. So if you want to send a video to any users on Discord, but if you select a standard one, so the video quality will be standard. If you do it a data saver, so it will save you data if you're using a mobile network. But if you choose the best quality, so from now on, your videos which you will upload or send it to someone will be in a high quality. But if you want to upload the videos in much higher quality, like Unlock 1080p video uploads with Nitro. So you need to purchase the Nitro subscription on Discord application, and from then you can send the videos even in a higher quality. So guys, this is how you can send videos on Discord in high quality. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.